So there uh, were a maxim. There was a maxim of the 18th century French physiocrats, and that was and that is laissez-faire. Some pronounce it as laissez-faire, but it's better to call it laissez-fire. So, what is the meaning of laissez-faire? Leave things alone, let them free. So, this freedom, they are West and after Renaissance Enlightenment, this the Western alphabetic literate civilization is obsessed with freedom, as there is no freedom. So let's look. Earlier, like in India also, there was Nagar, earlier Nagar, and there were villages around the city. But there is a fine balance between Nagar and villages and jungle. So that is there was a fine balance, and people from Nagar and cities, they are not free. Freedom is there in was there in villages and jungles, as Gandhi felt. So laissez-faire, come to the point. Laissez-faire, leave things alone, let them free. But in our nature, the universe was free. There is no satellite and other things. Panchatattva, Shuddha Panchatattva was there. And human communities and culture, they are also, they enjoy freedom. And so human being also enjoys freedom. Human being also enjoys freedom. Songs are there, were there, are there. Dances were there, are there. And nature, Adi Prakriti, is also free. That was a sequence. So everything is fair. Human being is also fair, free. But this is less is fair. Let them allow free. What is in this contemporary time? Only one thing is free. That is economy. And French physiocrats, they promote it. They are the promoters, and Western civilizations, they are the promoters of the freedom of the economy to rule the world, to rule human being, culture, and each and every aspect of nature. So there is a free dance of economy. Economy is dancing freely, and every human being is what it is, what he is. He is serf, and the ultimate serf is nature. So only freedom in contemporary time, only economy enjoys freedom, and human being the first slave, and nature is the ultimate slave. That's the freedom. That's laissez-faire. Earlier, this laissez-faire was there at the level of universe. Universe was free. Clouds were free. Now clouds are not free. Now Himalayas, they are not free. Now Gangotri is not free. And nature, biodiversity, bioconservation. Who are you? You have acquired so much power and so much wisdom, so much intelligence. Even your computer, the intelligence of your supercomputer or computer is less than the intelligence of the flower, that is the rose. And you have so much abhiman, that you know each and everything. This is the outcome of the this is the outcome of the malproportionate outgrowth of literate mind. And why outgrowth? Why literacy? Why alphabet? Alphabet is invented for the sake of economy. So ultimately, the kundali of alphabet, not in India. Sanskrit is a very sacred language. It was not invented or discovered, not invented for the sake of economy. It is invented for the sake of poetry, Rig Veda's poetry. It's a free language. But in Western countries, as Lewis Morgan says, that alphabet heralds the beginning of the civilization. So alphabet is basically invented for the sake of economy. So ultimately, the genes were there, and this alphabetic and digitally and virtually literate civilization, here economy is the one entity that enjoys freedom is the economy. Politics is puppet, state is puppet, human being is first slave, mental set, and the ultimate exploitation of the nature. But earlier, in literature, or like pre-Britishers India and pre-Mughal India, India was not as it is now. There is a Brahmanad, and there is a Adi Prakriti nature, Asthitana, Tuhi, and there is a human being. Without having a mindset, mind set at a particular frequency and can be easily manipulated and changed. That's that mindset. But human being first feel and then act or dance or speak, and memory is floating like river Ganges. That old Ganges, not that Ganges, that Ganga, contemporary Ganga flowing from Kashi. So everywhere, in the name of you are giving freedom. Who are you to give the freedom? Who are you to give freedom to human being, to nature, to everyone? Oh, your good intention. Behind your good intention, there is to establish the freedom and anarchy of economy and bazaar, that's all.